Abby, how did you get out there in the wet? Was it Hayden? Was it Carter?
It was Hayden. It was Hayden.
Hayden's like, yep, it was me. Hi, Abby. Are you cold out there? Are you cold out there?
I'm cold out there.
Did you get kicked out, huh? Did you get kicked out of your house?
Out there.
Is it cold?
Yeah. It's rain.
Carter, are you gonna help your sister in?
No.
Oh, be a nice big brother.
She can do it
Help a
herself.
sister out.
She can do it herself.
Oh, no, Hayden, you're too little.
Too little.
Yeah.
I want to hang out in the rain. Abby's a big girl to hang out in the rain. No, Abby, little baby. Little baby's Abby. Abby's a big girl in the rain.
A big girl in the rain.